How will the new environmental protection tax reduce pollution in China? So 2018 is the year in which the People's Republic of China starts the real fight against environmental pollution and environmental damage. Obviously, the best way to make this work is not just through regulating the chemicals or the processes that can be used in the process of manufacturing, but also to tax all of this, which has a very good, very clean impact on production and on the environment. The Environmental Protection Tax Law is the first green tax law expressly aiming at promoting environmental protection and protecting and reducing pollution. It abolishes the previous system of pollutant discharges fees and establish a tax that will actually impact the way businesses operate in China. Who are the taxpayers of this new tax? Who will be affected by this? Which industries? So it's basically enterprises, public institutions, or other producers or operations that directly discharge pollutants into the environment. Obviously, not everything that we consider as pollutants will be under this tax law, but the taxable pollutants are atmospheric pollutants, water pollutants, solid waste, and construction site noise. This is something new, and I personally welcome this, especially the construction site noise side of things. How is this tax calculated? It is basically the volume of pollutants discharged times the tax rate for the pollutant we are talking about. The law gives a rate threshold for each category of pollutants. The local bureaus can decide their specific tax rate within the range specified at central level. Also, the tax revenues are now entirely collected by local governments, while before 10% was kept by the central government. I believe this to be of interest because the more money is collected by local governments, the more impact it has on the bonuses the local tax officers and the local government officers will receive, and therefore the more incentive they have to actually apply the law. If a company files volume of pollutants that is much lower than the figure filed the year before, it would be recorded as abnormal, and therefore the law requires to the environmental protection authorities a review on abnormal data. This is also a very good evolution of the regulatory system. A lot of Chinese companies have a tendency to report things in a very erratic way. Remember one thing for sure, which is that foreign companies will be watched very seriously when it comes to their discharge of pollutants, the noise, the ambient noise and everything. So be sure to talk to your lawyer or to contact a tax specialist like SJ Grant. Links in the description of this video. Thank you.